welcome back, Rankers. I'll be away next week. I'll be coming, hopefully the show will be coming from Chennai in India. I'll hopefully be able to make it work. Anyway, I talked a little bit last year about featured answers, and last year at the State of Search conference in the US, Google said that to be found in a featured answer, you must either ask and or answer a question implicitly or explicitly, which basically means here's the question, here's the answer. And whether you, I think it's better to do it explicitly rather than implicitly, because that's sort of like not really aiming to get ranked there if you're going for implicitly. So explicitly, so I told you once we'd had some experience in doing it, I'd bring you the answers of how it's done. So the one that we've done here is for pro blogger Darren Rouse. A lot of you know pro blogger. So the search is Make Money Blogging, and here's our featured answer for Make Money Blogging. You can see we've got the featured answer here, and then we've got the number one organic result, if you like. Now, this came into the featured answer spot on Friday. It was published on Wednesday, I think, so it took 48 hours after publishing to grab the featured answer spot. We took the featured answer away from Amy Lynn, and that's where we are today. Now, last week we were already number one organically. We just couldn't get into that spot. So when we go and have a look at the post itself, here's what we did. So of course we've got our normally like our page title and our H1 are a pretty close match, not identical, but close enough, pretty close. You can see here we've got a H1 at the top of the page, which is saying about Make Money Blogging. And then we've got a nice big graphic, and if you have a look at the graphic here, this is interesting. So this is the graphic that is actually displayed in the featured answer, so we'll get back to that in a second. This is the one at the top of the page directly following the H1, which normally you would think that would be the one that Google would take. Not in this case. So you can see here, I think this is the reason why. This graphic is not the best graphic for that featured answer. This graphic actually is. I don't think there's been human intervention, but this is a better graphic for that featured answer because it's showing you all the different ways to make money blogging, right? This one, and if you also have a look here, we've got Make Money Blogging Pro Blogger 768 by 384. I think this part of the file name could be holding this image back from appearing in the featured answer. The reason I say that is because when we go and have a look at the this image, you can see here it just says ways to make money blogging, fine, but where it's located in the article is directly following a H2 with almost a direct match, so ways to make money blogging. Whereas this one is Make Money Blogging, and this one is Make Money Blogging Pro Blogger 384, 6 something, whatever it is. So I just think that this second image is a closer closer match for Google for the file name. Now, having said that, this is awesome content. Okay, this is great content. It's written by one of the best the bloggers, or probably the most experienced blogger out there to talk about making money blogging. So the content is awesome. What I'm talking about is the structure. So the content is, it's very great document structure. So, you know, we start off with the H1s, we've got a nice big graphic, we get a H2, and then immediately following the H2s, we have some H3s. And then we're linking to other resources throughout the site to say, so, you know, start creating some useful content, and, you know, here's some other resources for that. If you're doing it, if you need to do further reading, we've got all this information here. And this isn't just, you can see here, a lot of these links are, in fact, all of these links are all internal links. So we're showing a great depth of content throughout the blog, and lots of reasons to use this page to learn how to make money blogging. So that's the way we did it. Now, the great thing about this is that once you get Okay, there's our Make Money Blogging. There's our featured answer. It also means you get how to make money blogging. So, excuse me, like a number one result, and you might get variations of a phrase. You might be sort of targeting one. The same applies to the featured answers. You might just be targeting a single phrase to get that featured answer, but that featured answer may also be appearing for a bunch of other phrases. So there's two at the moment. What about can you make money blogging? We're there again, but this is a different featured answer, right? This is a different one, right? Okay, can you make money blogging? Probably need to get an image in this one, actually. Can you make money blogging? Can you, what about earn? Okay, so the can use questions are getting this answer. Okay, what about just earn money blogging? Nothing, no featured answer. But you can see that same blog post is number 2. What about making money blogging? Oh, too many blogs. Now, what I have seen in this featured answer is that if you there we go. Oh, different. Making money blogging is totally different. That's interesting. So I think I want to grab that one next. So making money blogging. Huh, and look, they're quoting pro blogger. That's interesting. So the lowest I've seen with these featured answers, the lowest I've seen the page appear in organic results and appear in the featured answer was about 6 and 7. So you do have to get your web page ranking organically, in my experience, on the front page first, on page 1 somewhere first, before you can expect to jump into that number 1 spot. So but you know, you would follow all the normal things that you would do for to get ranked for an awesome blog post. You write an awesome blog post, you write an awesome piece of content, and you structure it properly with your file names, with your heading tags, and you do all those things right, and you get it shared. You get some backlinks to it, and no doubt, I haven't even checked the backlinks on that post, but no doubt it's got heaps. Who knows? This could be a backlink from it right here. We don't know. And then once you're on that front page, you can then jump into the featured answer. If you are asking and or answering the question explicitly or implicitly. Hopefully that's helpful, and we'll see you next week. Thanks very much. Bye.